Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I'm your teacher Faiza and this is our maths class. Today we are going to learn how to trace the number 0 and a very exciting activity with it. Okay everyone, come on. In previous lecture you all have learned which number is this. So you have to tell me which number is this. Very good. Anyone? Yes, this is number 0. Which number is this? Number 0. And 0 means nothing. Now, we will do tracing of number 0 on our book. It's time to move on our book. Okay, my lovely learners. This is number 0. Number 0, everyone. Trace in the air. Number 0. Make with me with your finger. Number 0. Okay. Now we will do tracing of number 0 over here. Can you see this dot? Yes. Slowly, slowly join the dot and make number 0. Very good. You have to start from this dot and you will finish on this dot again. Slowly, slowly join the dot and make number 0. Very good. 0 means nothing. Very nice. Very good. You all are doing very good job. Slowly, slowly join the dots and make number 0. Very good. Good. Slowly, slowly join the dots and make number 0. Which number you are tracing? Tell me everyone. I know you all have learned which number is this. This is number 0. Very good. This is number 0. You have to repeat after me. Very good. 0. 0. What we are tracing? We are tracing 0. Very good. I am about to finish my work. I know you all are doing this. Work with me. Slowly, slowly join the dots. Yes. I am tracing the last one. Yes, I have done. Okay, my lovely learners, how to trace the number 0 very nicely. Now we have an activity of number 0. Look what we have to do in it. We have to circle the tree with 0 fruit. Okay, everyone, tell me, how many fruits are here on this tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many fruits are there. But can you see any fruit over here? No. This tree have 0 fruit. इस पर आपको कोई एप्पल या कोई और फ्रूट नजर आ रहा है? नो, इस पर कोई भी फल नजर नहीं आ रहा. तो हम इस ट्री को सर्कल करेंगे. What we have to do? We have to circle the tree with 0 fruit. So everyone, circle it with me. Why we have circled this tree? Because this tree have 0 fruit. इस ट्री के पास 0 फ्रूट थे यानी कोई भी फल नहीं था, तो हमने इसको सर्कल कर दिया. I hope you all have learned how to trace the letter 0 and how to do the activity very well. You all have to do practice at home. Keep practicing. Allah Hafiz.